I actually haven't had a real brownie in years due to food sensitivities. So imagine my delight in being able to make a brownie that is grain-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, and actually good for you. Good for your gut, good for your brain, good for your blood sugar. So why not give it a try? So absolutely delicious. So in our mixing bowl, we are going to start with 1/3 cup of unsweetened cacao or carob powder. Whoa! 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup unsweetened dark chocolate or carob chips, then 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Then set aside. Now we're going to go to another mixing bowl and put in 1/2 cup of melted grass-fed butter, 3/4 cup allulose or monk fruit allulose, and we are going to whisk this together until it's well mixed. Now add 3/4 cup of any type of nut butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and now the secret sauce, 2 drops of ginger essential oil, plus 2 drops of peppermint essential oil, both great for digestion. Now we're going to mix this all together until it is well mixed. And then we are going to get our dry ingredients and again mix it together until it is well incorporated. Now it is ready to put in our parchment lined 8 by 8 inch pan or baking dish. Going to spread it around smooth to the edges, and then we are going to put it in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Wow, look at those brownies. So simple to make and good for you, good for your gut and digestion. Make sure you go to the comments and ask your questions about any of the ingredients, sensitivities, digestion, or gut health. And thanks for watching.